Hi guys, welcome to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. My name is Chloe. I'm in the customer experience team here at Adore Beauty. So today we're doing a little beauty test. I wanted to gua sha my face for a month straight and see what happens. Why, you ask? Well, I've been on TikTok too much and there was this clean girl aesthetic kind of routine that was going on. And gua sha is quite often featured in these videos. I wanted to see if the drastic before and after videos on TikTok were real. Okay, but what is gua sha? Gua sha is an ancient healing method that comes from Chinese medicine, where you use a smooth edged tool to glide on your face or around your body. Here I have the Salt by Hendrix Rose Quartz Gua Sha in the butterfly shape. Oh yes, beautiful. So rose quartz is best known for self-love, self-healing type of vibes. If you guys want more information on gua sha, you can watch Amelia's video here. So why did I select the butterfly shape instead of the traditional gua sha shape? The other gua sha shape was out of stock in the rose quartz, so I was too impatient. After using it for a while, I found that I really like this shape. The top of the butterfly glides along my jawline really well. I like how the side of the butterfly, it just hugs my forehead, it hugs my neck area and my cheeks as well. I like the bottom of the butterfly for the neck, the trap area. So what I've decided to do is a 5-minute gua sha routine for 5 minutes a night, every night for the next month. So when I first started out this experiment, I didn't realize it meant that I would have to be using oil for a month straight. And as an oily gal, I was like, oh my God, what I get myself into? Am I going to be super congested? But here's a tip if you want to try this out at home as well. I just put my AHAs and BHAs to work while using this. And you know what? I'm fine. But I use the Pi rosehip oil, and rosehip oil is great for oily skin types too. Using oil will help glide the gua sha around your face a lot better. You can use a serum, but serums absorb faster into the skin. It just won't be lubed enough. So I found a couple of videos on YouTube and just followed along with them. I found that made the process a lot more effortless. I didn't have to curate a whole routine every night.
Apply a slight pressure and go slowly upwards like this.
Just being completely honest here, like I said before, I wanted to try this experiment purely because I thought I was going to look like Kim Kardashian. Well, I certainly am not Kim K yet. I'm not. But like its intended purpose, it really helped with the tension that I feel in my neck, in my traps, and in my face. Also, I didn't realize this. I do like to talk a lot. And I never massaged the muscles around my mouth. And I did that with this. I like to glide the gua sha around my lips just because it gives the muscles a really nice deep massage. I don't really know if this is a thing that people do. And I really liked it. Yeah, I just didn't realize how tired the muscles in my face were until I massaged them. We never really relax the muscles in our face if you think about it. Like if you deeply relax, if you just look silly. Relax the muscles. We'll do this together. Okay.
We just look grumpy.
As for aesthetics, I did take photos each week. Personally, I didn't notice any difference in my face like I thought I would. I even said to Maddie was very skeptical that she was gonna see me, but I was like, you watch, I'm going to be snatch as hell. Yeah, there was no differences. But what I found most valuable in this whole experiment is the time that I got to myself. I enjoyed easing my mind, letting it get into this meditative state, not worrying about anything but myself and having genuine self-care, distressing time. I obviously also enjoyed, the massage that my face and my traps got from this. To sum this experience all up, not to be like all woo-woo about it, but I came in wanting to look like something else. But what I have discovered was that I only needed self-love, like meditation, just unwinding time. That's what I really needed. I don't think I'll be gua shaing my face every night, Honestly, that was actually quite hard, even though I really wanted to do it. Discipline is just not a thing for me. Like I was before, I would still use it here and there. I find that it's a really good addition to my massages and self-care routine. And yeah, I just enjoy the meditative state that it puts me into. If you've used Gua Sha before and have had an amazing experience, or if you didn't, let me know in the comments. How did you feel about it? Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos from us, click here.